Hey guys, welcome back. Listen, even if you delete apps and clean your phone, there is still a hidden system app running in the background. It tracks how you use your phone, and it can drain your battery without you even noticing. And after every update, this app can turn itself back on again. So today, I'm going to show you how to find it and control it properly. Now, first, go to your phone settings. Scroll down, tap on Apps. Now, at the top, tap on the three lines or three dots. Turn on Show System Apps. Now, tap on the search bar. Type Android. Scroll a little, and here you'll see Android System Intelligence. Open it. Now, first thing, tap on Storage. Tap Clear Data. Clear everything. This is important because this app stores your activity. Now go back. Tap on Battery. Set it to Restricted. Do not skip this step. This stops it from running freely in the background. Now go back again. Open Mobile Data and Wi-Fi. Turn off background data, because after updates, this setting can turn back on automatically. Now go back. Open Permissions and disable everything one by one. Phone, SMS, and anything else you don't need. Make sure nothing unnecessary is enabled. I have already disabled all permissions and I have no issue. Now go back. Tap Force Stop, and if your phone allows, tap Disable. On some phones, this option will not be available. That's normal. But keep in mind, this is a system app. Disabling it may affect some smart features. Now, one important thing. I noticed after updating my phone, all these settings were turned on again. So make sure you check this after every update. That's it. Now your phone will have less background load, better battery, and more control over your privacy. Now I want you to check your phone. Was this app enabled or not? Comment below and tell me. And if this video helped you, like the video and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.